Module 3, Monthly Tasks. Module 3, Part 1, Monthly Customer Survey Calls. Starting the third week of every month, you will open the monthly survey log from your drive. You will need the survey report book and client contact book. You will call every client and give our monthly survey, where they score each section from 1 being worst to 5 best, and the average of all 8 categories will make up the score for that site. This is used to help know where we need to improve our service to our clients. If all 5s are given, then we ask if we can send an email for a Google review for them to fill out. If all 5s are given, we also send the tech $5 for scoring all 5s. This is known as a 5 for 5 bonus. Module 3, Part 2, Mailing Monthly Newsletters. Starting the end of week 3, we will print out the monthly newsletters that will be located in the monthly newsletters PDF folder on your desktop, also located in Drive. We will print the letters and labels for all current clients, current employees, and the Dream 100. These must be mailed out by the last day of each month. Module 3, Part 3, Reconciliation and Monthly Reports. Usually within the first 2 weeks of each month, we will get the bank statement from our bank. Once we get the statement, we will reconcile QuickBooks and make sure it balances. After reconciling QuickBooks, we will send out the monthly profit and loss report for the previous month. Be sure to include the percent of income on the report. After all monthly survey calls are made, we will also send a copy of the survey spreadsheet to both the CEO and the COO.